What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today we are riding to DD Hills, that is Devarayana Durga Hills. It's about 90 to 95 kilometers from here, I suppose. I'll show you guys the exact kilometer and stuff. And I'm riding with Manoj. He hasn't come yet. He's filling his fuel or something. Not sure, but yeah. Alright, the legend is here, Manoj. Okay, so it's what am I looking at right now? Okay, it's 20 degrees Celsius right now, and the time is 5:48 a.m. in the morning. Let's put the Google Maps. DD Hills alva bro? Pakka na? Okay, it's 72 kilometers off. It's about what? It's about 15 kilometers from my home to here. I didn't know that, but it's alright. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay guys, let's play a game, alright? If you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. And if you like it, stay subscribed, or if you don't like it, just unsubscribe. Alright, that's the deal today. Alright. Now the reason I'm playing this game is because a lot of people don't subscribe to my channel. So in this way, you'll know if subscribing to my channel is worth it. Yeah. So couple of people asked me to do long rides. Not couple of people, a decent amount of people asked me to do a long ride. Now I'll be doing a long ride this month. I wanted to keep this as a secret, but then I had to say this because people kept on asking me. So yeah, I'll be doing a long ride this month. Now I'm not saying which place I'm going to. I'll be giving you guys the update in my Instagram. So yeah, that long ride video is gonna be fire. You don't want to miss that. You surely don't want to miss that, because I'm planning for that video since 10 days now, so it's gonna be lit. I'm pretty sure about that. Let me see if I can get a fist bump from Manoj. Oh, that's the sunrise over there. Looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the entrance to the hill. This road is called as Devarayana Durga Road. Yep, 5 kilometers from here. So we have a lake in there. We can do some off-roading in there, I suppose. Let's see. Oh man. Yeah, that is the lake. How do we get in here? That is the way. Off-roading begins. I mean, this is not much of an off-road or anything. It is just a normal one.
ಬರೋ ದಾರಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
Okay, the photo shoot, everything has been done. Now we are going to the hill. Let's see if it's open. Such a fun little place, man. You can come and enjoy your weekend. It's a calm place. You can sit, enjoy the nature. Oh my god. Okay, it's closed. All right, super. Huh? Okay, there's another road. Let's see. But the place is really beautiful. Insane. This is not the road, this is the one. I guess it is the one. Alright. Okay, this is close, so it's just waste of time just going there. I mean, what are we going to do there by walking? We have to take our bikes. That's the spirit, right? We cannot take the bikes. So I mean, let's go to the other hill over that side. Okay, Manoj is taking me somewhere. I don't know where this road leads to, but yeah, let's see. He's taking me. I mean, he might know this. Oh yeah, oh, it connects to that road. It does. Let's go. Perks of having an adventure motorcycle. Easy, man. That is the temple over there. I mean, there's nothing to see in there. It's just a normal temple. But this, guys, this is the view. But there's a better view up there. But there's a better view up there somewhere, I guess. Not sure. But I guess we are stopping over here. Never mind.
ಇವತ್ತು ಜನ ರಶ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು
Tuesday.
ಜನ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಜನ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು
Oh my god. This is I mean, this is one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. You have a view of how many kilometers? I have no idea. Look at this.
I have idea.
How many?
Don't know.
I didn't switch off my bike. That's off. We'll go to the top and see. Allog nodana. Matte we'll come back and take photos over here. Okay? Ba. Okay, this is close to. I mean, why is it everything closed? Like, what the hell? അടിപൊളി. No. No. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I'll be doing some cornering video over there, downhill run, so you guys can watch that after this. So this is my official outro. I'm doing the outro right now because I'll keep my GoPro inside after the cornering. So I guess you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.